Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about supercharging your real estate or mortgage career and doubling down on your income potential. Intrigued? You should be. In this competitive market, standing out as a real estate agent or mortgage professional, it's crucial. But what if you could offer your clients an unmatched level of support while massively increasing what you take home? The answer? Becoming a dual licensed real estate agent and mortgage loan officer or broker. Why become a dual licensed rock star? The housing market can be a roller coaster for buyers and for us in the industry. There's low inventory, there's high rates, there's fierce competition. It's enough to make anyone's head spin. That's where you, the superhero agent, comes in. As a dual licensed professional, you can guide your clients through every step from finding their dream home to securing the perfect financing. Imagine the trust and loyalty you'll build by being their one-stop shop, which there is proof that that's what clients are looking for now. That's right, it's all about the Benjamins, baby. By earning 2 commissions per sale, you're doubling your income potentially. Financial freedom, anyone? Steps to become a licensed real estate agent and mortgage broker is where it's tricky and unsure for everyone, I'm sure. So becoming a licensed realtor can, be daunting until you start taking the class and realizing it's totally achievable. So just here's a quick breakdown if you're watching this and you don't have a real estate license. You have to complete a licensing course, learn the ins and outs of the industry, then you have to pass the exam. You have to meet any additional requirements that your state may have, background checks, certifications, and then you go and you pick the company you want to work for. Now, choosing to be a loan officer is a different licensing and a different test that you're going to need to take. But there are 2 main options. You can try to find a mortgage lender and work directly with a bank or credit union if you can find one who will allow you to join their company, or you can work at a mortgage brokerage and be more independent, because there is some differences between being a mortgage lender and being a mortgage broker. And if you're in it to do what's best for your clients, let's compare the pros and cons. If you are going to work as a mortgage lender, it could have steadier income, benefits, certain training that you won't find on the broker side, but there's also less flexibility, limited loan options. Whereas as a mortgage broker, a loan officer who works at a mortgage brokerage or opening your own brokerage, this is where you could be your own boss. There's a wider range of loan programs, greater earnings potential, and it's commission based. And so there might be a little bit more self-training. Becoming a licensed mortgage broker is how you're going to get there. And the roadmap looks like this. You first have to go and get your mortgage broker license. You have to take a pre-licensing course, pass the SAFE exam, and register with NMLS. You have to find some mortgage brokerage who will sponsor you. They'll guide you and help you get started. Well, for those of you who have a larger team or even a brokerage, you might want to consider opening your own mortgage brokerage. So if you crave control, consider opening your own independent brokerage. And this requires some additional steps to the ones I mentioned before. We have a whole video dedicated to this, and there's a link in the description below. Without any of this, compliance is key. So juggling real estate and mortgage licensing means following specific rules, and we'll cover the crucial RESPA regulations to ensure you stay squeaky clean. So to make sure you follow RESPA and you don't get fined, you can never be paid referral fees from settlement service providers. So you can't get paid for referring someone. You have to be involved. You have to present borrowers with options. You have to be the one servicing them. There's no fee splitting. It has to be done by the work that you do in the process. You have to learn how to disclose any financial ties that you have between the organizations, and you have to make sure that it's clear how you get paid for the services you're performing. And this is usually done through a disclosure that your company or an attorney will create for you. Now, another thing you want to do is keep detailed records of the transactions you work on when you're dual-sided and making sure you're recording the activities that you do. Educate yourself on RESPA to make sure you're following all the guidelines, and seek legal advice from an attorney, from the owner of the companies you're working for, to make sure you're always following the rules. Compliance is key to protecting your licenses and avoiding hefty fines. By becoming a dual licensed real estate agent and mortgage broker, you really can transform your career. Just imagine offering that service, building that trust and a stronger relationship with your clients while doubling your income. So if you're ready to take your real estate game to the next level, leave a comment below with any questions you may have about getting both licenses and working in this way. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more career boosting tips.